Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your own custom overlay in CapCut PC using sticker. So first, go to library and select black screen to the right, and then you can go to sticker and select your sticker you like to add as an make the overlay. For example, I'm going to select this one and select another. Yeah, you can adjust for the duration, the same like with the sticker duration, and change for the size and then the position. Right, and after done, you are just going to select the clips, right click and create component clip. Just select your video or photo you like to edit, for example, and move up this overlay, move to top, right, and just going to split the video and remove unused. So click on the overlay and select mode of plane. For example, select overlay just for the opacity, like so. And this is the final pack. Alright, that's how you can create your own custom overlay in CapCut PC using sticker. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.